What is going on, guys? This is Cyberpen, and in this video I am going to teach you how to remove a background from a photo. So first you have to download this app. It's called Remove BG. So it's free, and as a bonus it has no watermark. It's very easy to use and user friendly. It also has a lot of feature like cutout, paste photo, your cutouts, your creation, collage, frame, and freestyle. But in this video, I'm gonna be covering the cutout and paste photo part. So first we have to choose a photo from our gallery. After choosing a photo, we can then adjust it by cropping it. So we just have to make sure that the person in the photo is not cropped, since all that matters is the person, since we're gonna remove the background anyways. So after choosing a photo, it automatically removes the background, so it means there's less job for us. So it just makes it much more easier and user friendly. And there you go, some of the background has been marked as green. That means it has been removed. So if we select zoom, the cutout part is left out. So it has three main features: to erase, to restore a photo, or to zoom. Next is its other components, which is the shape of the erasing part or the restoring part, which could be square or circle, but I prefer circle. Next, we can adjust the size of the eraser, just like that. I think that's fine. And for the offset, that red bold dot is where my finger is at right now. That's how I'm moving this. And circle is that circle right there with the red border is the actual eraser. So just like that, it's really easy to use. So what we're gonna do now is first zoom into the photo and restore the part that has been erased. Let's make this circle even larger so that it's much easier. After restoring the parts, you can then refine the photo by erasing the left out background edges. So let's zoom in and erase this background. There's also a small floating circle on the top of our screen that is to help us zoom in into the actual parts that we are erasing. For example, if I turn the size of the circle much smaller and it's hard to see, there's still the zoom part to help us see it and to be more accurate as well. So that's just what makes it a really great app. So this is where the circle-shaped eraser becomes more handy in areas that are curved and harder to reach by the square-shaped eraser or point. And just like that, we're done. We have erased the background and it was really easy. But before we saved it, let's press done. Then we'll arrive here smoothening. This process will make the edges of your PNG or the picture that you removed the background from much smoother and much softer. It will remove much the rough edges and make your PNG look better. So this is probably enough. Then done. The PNG is automatically saved in your gallery. But after that you could also enter it in a background. There are many backgrounds here that you can find, but you can also enter custom ones that you can find in your gallery. So that's a background, and let's choose this cutout. Okay, and it's done. Press check and save. And that's how you remove and change a background from a photo. If you liked that video, kindly hit that like button and leave a comment down below anything that you think about this video or any suggestions on my next video. And please kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell button as well so that you won't miss any of my next videos. And also, I have more upcoming editing videos, so you have to subscribe so that you will see them as well. This is Cyberpen and thanks for watching.